the Army gave me a full ride scholarship to go to college because of my ability to do, science, technology, engineering, mathematics. And so that led me into getting a commission as a second lieutenant in the U.S. Army. And I was commissioned in transportation and logistics. There's all sorts of science. It's everywhere. And mathematics. I mean, in transportation, we were doing robotics. We were doing autonomous vehicles. We were doing calculations on loads and time and distance. Transportation, logistics, supplies, all that stuff, engineering, mathematics, they're all related. You don't want to be miscalculating because that could mean accidents happen. For example, if you miscalculated the height of your vehicle and your load, and you went under a bridge that was 15 feet and 4 inches, and you made a mistake carrying the one, that could cause a problem, and your load may not be there on the other side of that bridge. You also might not have a bridge there too. Because the skills that you had in the military and with science and technology, I was able to parlay that into a great career as a expert program manager at Nike. And I've been doing that for quite a bit now. My team basically ensures that the security of the solutions, the technological solutions, aren't exposed to hackers. People's data doesn't get exposed, people's bank accounts. It's really important stuff. A couple years ago, I worked on a program that determined the optimal price for your pair of Air Jordans. And so if Nike was selling a bunch of Air Jordans, right? You've got your price and demand, right? If demand is high, you can charge more for your shoes, and if your demand is low, then you might need to charge lower prices. If one outlet didn't have the correct price, and you could buy them on one site, not the other, and one of the prices wasn't aligned, that could have caused problems, which is why it was important that we harmonize prices across all platforms, which is really complicated because you've got the stores within Nike, you've got the websites, the applications, but you also have your partners that you work with. I started at Embry-Riddle Aeronautical University, and I graduated with a bachelor's degree in aerospace studies, which obviously has a lot to do with science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. And I think, with a good foundation in science, technology, engineering, mathematics, I think you can't go wrong.